Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with generator, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, triple step entry, hydraulic levelers, outside shower, solar power prep, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, LED exterior lighting, roof ladder, double slides, overhead storage, designer headboard, high-rise faucet, bedroom dresser, battery disconnect, flip-up counter, overhead kitchen storage, oven, kitchen pantry, USB charging station, carbon monoxide detector, 4-door refrigerator, king-size bed, cab area privacy curtains, booth dinette, power privacy shade on windshield, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, vanity with sink. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.